Today I will be going over the process that I went through when creating this short animation to be used as an intro for my YouTube videos. I found myself struggling with the brush that I was using for this animation, because while I like how varied it is, there's very little control in that variation. Maybe it's just a mobile thing, I don't know. The shape of my hair here was quite difficult to get down. I think that was because I'm not used to drawing it from more vertical angles. Maybe I could create sort of a vertical turnaround to help me in the future in these situations, because I'll likely be animating this little guy a lot. I end up scrapping these cute little blushies that I add, because they're just very inconsistent throughout the animation, and it was really obvious that they were drawn differently on every frame, and it kind of bothered me. If you haven't subscribed yet, then you might know me from this video that I posted a couple months ago. I'd like to let you know that I improved a lot since then, and that video was made within the span of a single school day. So I would really appreciate it if there was a video that I was known for that wasn't that. I have an animatic in the works that I plan to release within probably a couple of weeks or even days. So if you're excited about that, then how about you go ahead and click that big red button down there.